Goisper Group, growing through cooperation. The most frequent maintenance operations in compression sprayers are replacing the collar seal at the bottom of the cylinder handle, replacing the chamber closing valve at the bottom of the chamber, replacing and lubricating the complete handle round gaskets, All spare parts are available from Goisper's extensive distribution network. Osatu, your partner for accurate spraying. Goisper Group, growing through cooperation.